Hi, this is Mrs. Nelson. We're going to look at today what it looks like to add decimal numbers. The objective says I can represent decimal number addition with place value discs. Show 82 hundredths plus 63 hundredths using place value discs. So I'm going to start with 82 hundredths, so I need to put 8 tenths in the tenths place. So there's 8 tenths, and then 2 hundredths. And then I'm going to add 63 hundredths. To keep this organized, I'm going to go ahead and finish up right here and add 2 tenths right here, and then the other 4 tenths to make 6. That way they're grouped together beautifully. And then I'm going to do the same thing with this 3 hundredths. I'm just going to finish off this group of 5 right here. So now I have 82 hundredths and 63 hundredths together in this place value mat. And now I'm going to look to see if I can bundle anything. And I can see right here I have more than 10. And when I have 10 or more, I can bundle a group of 10. So I'm going to grab all 10 of those, and I'm going to bundle them together and represent 10 tenths with 1 1. And now when I look at that, I don't have anything else that I can bundle, so I'm just going to record how many are in each place value. So I have 5 hundredths, 4 tenths, and 1 1. So when I add 82 hundredths and 63 hundredths, I would get 1 and 45 hundredths. Let's look at another one. Let's see 4 and 67 hundredths plus 8 and 55 hundredths. So again, I'm going to represent 4 and 67 hundredths first, so 4 ones, 6 tenths, 7 hundredths. And then I'm going to add 8 and 55 hundredths to that, starting with 8 ones and then keeping this organized. So there's 1 to finish off that row of 5, plus 5 more, so I have 6. I need 2 more. There's 8. Now I need to add 5 tenths, so I'll finish off that row right there of 5. And now I have 1 more to add, so there's my 5 tenths in blue. And then I need to add 5 hundredths. So again, finish off with 3 and then add 2 more. The reason why I finish those off in those 10 frames is so it makes it easier to see that I have some groups of 10s that I can bundle up. So I'm going to start with the smallest place value. I'm going to start with my hundredths place. I'm going to bundle up 10 hundredths. And 10 hundredths is the same thing as 1 tenth. So I'm going to take those 10 hundredths, I'm going to shift them over here to the tenths place. 1 tenth is the same thing as 10 hundredths. I'm going to bundle up 10 tenths, and 10 tenths is going to be the same thing as the next place value higher. It's going to be the same thing as 1 1. So I'll bundle up those 10 tenths, and then I will shift that over to the ones place. In my ones place, I have more than 10. I have 13 right now. So I'm going to bundle up 10 of those and move it to the next place value higher, which is the tens place. So those 10 ones is the same thing as 110. Now that everything's bundled and I have the smallest number I possibly can in each of those place values, I can just record the digits. So in my hundredths place, I have a 2. In my tens place, I have 2 as well. In the ones place, I have a 3, and in the tens place, I have a 1. So when I add 4 and 67 hundredths to 8 and 55 hundredths, I get 13 and 22 hundredths. The objective says I can represent decimal number addition with place value discs. And the reason why I decided to do place value discs was to show you that regrouping, to show you what it means to write a number and then carry a 1. We're bundling up 10 of them and make it into one of the next place value higher. Thanks for watching.